Okay. Hey guys, welcome to this episode of Bistak Chef. I'm your host, Rex Alba. So guys, on today's episode, we will be unwrapping or unboxing my new deep fryer from rovsun. And I'm gonna show you how to set it up from the start, from the time you get the box until you get it started. And I have been enjoying this deep fryer since I got it. And it's time to get rid of my old one. So I've been using this for a while, and you don't really get to enjoy the fun of deep frying when you have this small deep fryer. So it's time to get rid of my old one. Let's check my new rovsun deep fryer. Check this out. So when you get your package, you get this on this big box, and we're gonna open it. Wow. So it's very well packed. We have all this styro to keep it from banging each other. We're gonna move this styro aside. So this is the unit that you get. So it comes on this 2 units. So it comes with this basket. It has the heating unit, heating filament, and wow, looks like it's ready to go. It's all set up. Just secure the basket. Here's the handle again. Push it together. Slide it. Once you're here at the bottom, secure it. There it is. Make sure when you remove the heating element, you put this in a safe surface to avoid it from scratching. We're gonna remove the plastic. We're gonna remove the oil container. And then flip it. So there are 2 types of screws that you'll get. You'll have this long screw and the other shorter screw. You want to use the longer screw for the rubber bottom, and this short one for the knob. So you want to make sure that while you're installing the legs, you use this long screw for the rubber bottom tips. So make sure when you're attaching the rubber tips, you want to make sure that the screw is inside this hole here, and you have this nut that you can attach at the bottom. We're gonna flip it back. This cover also has a handle here for protection in case it's hot, so you can just put it on top and then screw it at the bottom. So in case you're cooking, you are safe. So we're gonna add our heating core. With the heating core, you wanna make sure you slide the stainless steel residue plate on over it. So you might wanna wiggle this a little bit. I find it easier doing it this way. Just press a little bit. All right, slide it. Okay. There you go. That's your stainless steel residue plate. All right. And of course, your lid, which has a handle, a plastic handle that we installed earlier. So that's how it's gonna look like. You wanna make sure that before using this, you wanna wash it, except for the heating core. So we're gonna wash this up, and I think it's ready to be tested. The thing about the rovsun deep fryer, it has two separate cords, which you can turn on separately in each chamber. That way it saves you energy. From the back of your heating core, you will see this protrusion. It has a slit at the back of the main frame, so you just slide this in. That's it. That way it doesn't move around whenever you start deep frying. The great thing about this, guys, is it's deep, so I have the option to, I like to fry fish, and maybe on this side I'll do some turon or banana fritters. So you can do the dessert on this side, you can do the meat on the other side. You can do this at your own home. I'm just placing this on my counter. My only thing about this is the material that they use on this lid. I would prefer like a stainless steel for this type of material, but everything, it looks very professional, and it looks very portable here at home. And you will see later on how it fries. As you can see on the stainless steel oil tank, it has a minimum and maximum indicators. On the minimum, it can fill up to 3 liters of oil. Maximum can fill up about 6 liters of oil. So 1 gallon of the oil could reach the minimum indicator. So once you plug your unit, you're gonna select the temperature you want. You have a list of the basic frying temperatures here on the side. I want to bump it up till the max. That's 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the red light turns off, we are ready to fry. Here we go. So guys, since I got my double chamber rovsun deep fryer, I've been enjoying it, and I'm having a blast, and it's very convenient. Anytime I like to deep fry, it's like having my own commercial kitchen at home. So I hope you could check this out. They have a promo going on until July 28th, so I hope you can check them out. And guys, thank you so much. Gamit yun kayo!